Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well and great. My name is DILIPKUMAR and I am very passionate about this vermicompost, and in today's video I am going to explain you about this vermicompost, and I am damn sure that you are going to learn too much of things from this video. Without making a further delay, let's get into the topic. I am going to explain you step by step this process. Also, I have prepared a bunch of questions that you will be getting while making this vermicompost. First question: why vermicompost? What is the use of this? First of all, making this vermicompost is very easy and simple. Okay. Then comparing with other chemical fertilizers, this vermicompost is very good. Means it will be giving you all the vitamins and minerals, everything, urea, complex, whatever the things you are putting into land, everything is available in this only one vermicompost. So that is the very important thing, and it is very easy to make. So second question: how to make a bed? What kind of beds are available? So this is the bed that we are having. So I am making. There are various beds are available. We can make a hole in our land. Otherwise, we can use this kind of bags. And also other methods also available, but I will be explaining you this one only. Okay. So next question is why this vermi bed? What is the use of it, and how to arrange it? What are the advantages? So this is a plastic actually, but this is not a normal plastic. This is a virgin plastic, virgin material. It will be we are having a warranty for 9 years. Until 9 years we can use it. You can put it into direct to sunlight. It won't fade or it won't get any damage. And while arranging it, there will be some holes here. So all the places will be having holes. From there we can put wood, small sticks or anything we can put. But whenever we are preparing this kind of PVC pipes will be very useful, because it will be very handy while arranging these things. So this is what, guys, this is a very handy actually. How can I say, it's very nice to use. So next step, we are going to put this kind of coconut cells into this bed. So this cell, why we are actually putting this cell means it will be holding the humidity of the whole compost. So if you let's say like if you are going out for some place, in those times if you are not spraying water, it will be holding the humidity of this vermicompost. So after this coconut cell, we are adding the wastage we collected from our land. Actually this is a waste I have collected from my land. You can put anything like in your land, leaves, maximum prepare leaves. Don't use this kind of sticks. If you put, it will take 1 year for the earthworms to digest it. So after putting coconut cells, we are putting these wastes. So I have collected this waste from my land. You can put leaves, don't put sticks. It will take 1 year to digest it. It will be very easy. You may ask how much we have to add for 2 feet from the coconut cells. So well, it seems it's 4 feet, but while I am adding water, it will push this all the things, and it will come until 2 feet only. Okay. So and also I forgot to mention all other advantages of this bed. You can put it in sunlight, and also there is a holes. If rain pours, the water will coming out of this. This bed is somewhat damaged. I am going to make another bed. In that time I will explain you clearly how to arrange bed, what is the main things in this bed. So we are having 9 years warranty of this bed. From this bed we can make 1200 kg of vermicompost. Okay, so this is what about this bed. So comparing with all other methods, like there are two kind of methods, digging hole and making some kind of things. So this is the great thing, I believe. So I would suggest you to buy this one only. So after this we have to add our excretion, cow dung or goat's excretion we can add in this. So first we have put coconut shell, thereafter we put this waste. So then we are putting this cow dung. Actually I am using goat excretion, so we are not having goat excretion, cow's excretion, so that's why we are using goat excretion. So after that we have to spray water. So while adding this cow dung, if you are using cow dung, then you have to very careful, because there will be somewhat heat. So because of that heat, that earthworm that you are going to put may die. So when you are using cow dung, make sure that you are putting this bed before 15 days. So daily you have to spray the water. After 15 days only you have to put the earthworms, then only it will be nice. So actually if you are going to if you are a new person and if you are going to do means, then you have to buy in some place. While coming to earthworms, there are 4 type of earthworms, Indian earthworms and African earthworms, and some more are there. But our country's earthworm is not good, so we are using African earthworm. So actually this is day before yesterday we have separated the past. As you can see, there is too much of earthworms. Day before yesterday we have separated the waste from our vermicompost. This is the second bed actually. So from here it will be going there. So for that I am having another idea. I will be explaining you about that thing in next video. So if you are doing new, you have to buy from some farmhouse or some government places, some government office, it will be available. So from there only you have to buy and you have to put here. So after this what are the things we have to care about means, don't put it direct to sunlight. You can put outside, but if you are putting outside, you have to make some shade. Too much of sunlight, it's not good for this earthworm, and also heat. That's why I am telling, while using cow dung, you have to make sure there is no heat at all. So that is a very, very important thing. So after that you have to spray water for 45 days. So after this it will be going. So in between those 45 days you shouldn't touch this. If you are touching the earthworm for one time, it won't eat for 3 days. So it will slowly it will be increasing every day. So this earthworms, while I was putting 1 kilograms, but I'm sure there is 4 or 5 kilogram of earthworms are here. So I'll be doing some other thing, that will be take this earthworm from here to there. Okay, I'll be explaining you about that thing in next video. So this is what, guys. And also I forgot to tell you one important thing, guys. So if you are going to harvest, stop spraying water before 3 days. Okay, then only it will be nice. So while harvesting, the vermicompost will be upside, so you can collect it and you can harvest. So after that if you can see how much it have digested. Okay, apart from this, while harvesting the vermicompost from this earthworm and these waste things, you have to use sand sieve, so that only you can separate earthworm and waste thing and our vermicompost. So I'll show you my vermicompost that I have made. Day before yesterday only we have separated it. So I'll be putting so like this it will be coming. So how can we identify whether it became ready or not? It will be like tea powder. So if it is ready, you can understand it is a tea powder. And also I forgot to tell you about one thing. This African earthworm having another advantage also. So if you are using another our country's earthworm means, it will not eat from upside to downside. It will be eating from downside to upside. So if you are putting this kind of African earthworms, it will eat first the upside. So after that it will be going downside. It will eat and it will excrete, and those excretion will be coming up, so that we can easily harvest those things. That's why we are preferring it. And also it will be moving 20 feet from there to here. And also there will be a hole in this, in downside. the water we are everyday spraying, it will be coming out of this. Don't forget to add a pipe in there too. So that's what, guys. So I think I have explained you clearly and perfectly. So apart from this, another question also there. What are the enemies to these earthworms? Rats, ants, and hens. These are enemies to this. But what we are going to do means we are going to cover this so that nothing will come. So these kind of bags, this kind with using by using this bags, we can cover it. Or otherwise, we can use this kind of coconut leaves or palm leaves. I will show you how we are going to add. So I'll be adding more. There is no problem if ants comes and other things are coming. Our earthworms will be downside. So in upside, if there is something means it will be eating. So no problems. You have to make sure that every day you are spraying water. That is the very important thing in this. That is the very important thing that we have to make sure every day. So apart from this, if you are having any doubts. Okay, I think we have covered all the things. So if you really like this video, don't forget to smash like button, and if you are really enjoyed this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you.